On the blue alliance for qualification match 10, we have Team 3189 currently ranked first. Team Rapid Unscheduled Disassembly. Their alliance partner, 5762 Midwest Dragon Tech. On the red alliance, we have Team 2835 Midwest Division Toretto's Crew. And Team 7283 Fistful of Axels. All right, and we have both red and blue alliances ready. We'll go ahead and start our match in 3, 2, 1. All right, we've got movement from Rapid Unscheduled Disassembly, placing one specimen on the high bar of the submersible. Human player with their quick hands, grabbing samples and making specimens. 2 specimens on the high bar, 3 specimens on the high bar. 4 specimens on the high bar. Looks like we got room for one more.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
All right, and we have the start of our teleoperated period. Blue starting with a commanding lead of 80 points with their autonomous period. We have movement all over the field. Red Alliance looking to move their alliance-specific samples into the observation zone. Blue Alliance, Team 5762 moving alliance neutral samples into their net zone. Rapid Unscheduled Disassembly traversing their alliance-specific samples to their human player. Human player making those specimens, handing them back off using that alliance wall. Got the Red Alliance looking like they might be trapping themselves in the net zone corner. We have about 30 seconds left until endgame. Blue Alliance showing off an impressive skill of human and robot interaction here. Reading samples and putting them on that high bar. If I remember correctly, I believe about 16 samples might fit on that high bar. We'll see if they can get more on there as the day goes on. And that whistle lets us know it is endgame. Robots can park by either moving to the observation zone or touching the low bar. They'll still be supported by the ground of the submersible. Looks like Red might be playing some next level defense on Blood here. 8 seconds left in the match. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nation here. All right, and it looks like we have a Blue Alliance victory with a new event high score of 139 points. Let's give it up for both Red and Blue Alliance. Great job.